Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have something that is very exciting to me to share with you. I know a few of you will probably be excited for me as well, so I had to share it. I did receive a surprise package from Maniology. As most of you know, if you watch my videos, I am an ambassador for Maniology, which is so exciting because I've loved Maniology and Bundle Monster for as long as I can remember discovering them. Years and years and years and years and years ago, I've been buying their stamping, polishes, and plates. When they contacted me, it was like a dream come true. No joke. I still am so excited and thankful to be a part of the Maniology Ambassador Program. Yes, thank you again, Maniology. And thank you guys to whoever was using my code, which is happily10, which will get you 10% off of the Maniology website. So whatever you order, 10% off. So good savings, and I earn a small commission if you use my code. Thank you to all that use my code, because I made pink tier and I got a little gift in the mail, and this wouldn't be possible if you guys weren't using my code. So thank you guys so very much. Pink tier get 3 gifts. The first one is this Maniology, and you only can get these pins through their ambassador program. It says, "You nailed it, you've earned pink." So I got my first pin. And the more you guys use my code, the more likely it is that I will get the next tier. So, how exciting. Some really, really cute stickers from Maniology. Rainbows. And I love the little clouds with the multicolored droplets. These are adorable. And let me tell you, these stickers from Maniology, they lay really nice and flat on your nails, and you can use these with regular nail polish. So just a regular top coat over top of these, and they just like kind of melt into the polish below. They're really nice. And then the last and final item I received, and I was so excited to receive this, is the new SpongeBob plate. Oh my. And as most of you know, if you watched my channel for a while, I have a 10-year-old that is obsessed with SpongeBob. Yes. So when I saw they released this, I was like, placing an order soon, placing an order. Then I received this package and the plate was in the mail. M491. Jellyfish, all their faces and mouths are over here. I love all the words too that are on the plate. That is really awesome. The bubbles, pineapples, of course, the flowers in the sea. Oh my goodness, this plate is just so awesome. And when SpongeBob first came out, I love SpongeBob too. So this is so nostalgic for me even. I love it. So thank you, Maniology, so very much for sending me this package. Thank you. And thank you guys for using my code. And don't forget to use happily10 at checkout on Maniology.com for 10% off. All the links and all that good stuff will be in the description box. And don't forget to check the cards for additional links. Thank you guys so very much for watching. And stay tuned for more Maniology videos.